Here we have a new old stock Homelite vintage 150 plastic toy. It's in the original box. I presume this is the original plastic wrapping. I've never personally opened it. The person I received this from said it was original, but it says, pull starter handle to idle sounds like a real saw. Idles like a real saw. Press trigger for full power. Harmless bead chain rotates, will not cut. Returns to idle when trigger is released. Slide switch to shut off. As best as I can tell, it's never been opened. But here at Vintage King Motorsports, we're going to change that right now. Very careful cutting the plastic away. Don't want to damage the box or the toy itself. It does look to be very, very old plastic. As I said, I'm not sure if this is new old stock. The person I got it from said that it was. And so we're going to open this now. Let's have a look and see what's inside. Okay. There's some bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. Oh yeah. Outer container. I can only imagine on Christmas morning for a young lad to get this. This would be incredibly cool. Even looks like it has two little screws for the sprocket cover, although I'm pretty sure they're not real. The chain does turn. As best as I can tell, the switch does work. As best as I can tell, this is all original. What else is in the box? Well, that looks to be about it, just the toy itself. It says, install battery to operate, adjustment. Apparently there's adjustments you can make. Special notes. You don't want to forget to read the special notes and the warranty, which I'm pretty sure after all these years, there is no warranty. All right, folks, so here you have it. A really cool new old stock vintage Homelite 150 chainsaw toy. Be sure to click on the link below for pictures and details and how to buy this really neat little toy right now at a very affordable price. This has got to be a pretty rare item, folks. I don't think you're going to see one in this kind of condition very often, if ever at all. So click on the link below for pictures and details and how to buy this saw right now. Don't hesitate, folks, because we all know when this saw is gone, it's gone. And you know what? It won't be in your collection.